And welcome to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Mohammed. We continue our training with the Elastic Certified Observability Engineer exam preparation. And in today's topic, we will see how we use the logs app in Kibana to analyze and answer a question about the logs or log event collected in Elasticsearch, right? So with that being said, let's jump to our environment. So now we did the installation of the agent, we did the configuration of the fleet server, we did the configuration of the policy and the integration and so on and so forth. And now everything is ready, like the agent is up and running and healthy. We have our logs and metrics on our system or in Elasticsearch, and we can see it directly from Kibana. So now is the next step, right, to interact with the logs, like for the exam or for your work, like to answer questions, right? With that being said, let's jump again to our environment to interact with our logs. We have the first place, we have here discover. Like during the exam, if you have a scenario, it doesn't matter, like if you get the answer from here, like from discover, or if you create a visualization and you build the visualization and you find the answer there, like it doesn't matter. But it's better like to follow what they said and like to implement what they said. But some scenarios that will ask you, let's say, who is the most, I don't know, the system that have a number of errors. Let's say you have 5 systems and they want to see the top one, like the most one, like they have a lot of errors. Like it doesn't matter, like if you get it from here or you get it from the logs or from dashboard or whatever, right? Here, if we go to our observability, we have the logs. Here we have stream. Here you can see your logs, or if we wait a few seconds, it will come. We will see our logs are coming in real time. So this is the logs. This is the logs that are coming from our Elastic agent. It's coming, as you can see here. This is the timeline. This is like the past 24 hour, and here we can create KQL or Kibana query language filters, and the same we can do it from here, like create a filter, a specific filter from here, right? So this is the one. So if you want to see the details of this log or this metric, so you click, and here you will get a full page that contain all the details of the log. If you want to investigate more, you have this shortcut, or you have this button or links that will redirect you to uptime or APM, which is like uptime is here. We saw it in the first topic. We saw it here. So feel free to go back and see how we use uptime, or also redirect you to the APM, which we'll see in the next topic. Right. So let's go to discover, for example, here. And here you have to make sure that you are in log, not in a metric, not in any other index. For sure, you will find many indices or data views here, or index patterns. So make sure that you are selecting the right one. And after that, one second, give me 1 second. Let me remove it from here. Say like this. So you will have this view. The first thing is, like, if the question or the scenario, let's say for the last 24 hour, last week, last month, so you choose from here. If they give you a specific range of time, let's say from midnight 27th to midnight 28th, whatever, like you can pick or select the date from here, until the range or the time range that they specified during the exam. The same here, like you can run or create KQL queries, like to help you to filter the logs. So you see you have multiple, let's say you have a long or a huge number of logs, and you want to filter, let's say, based on the agent or based on the let's take file path, for example, and we choose here it will suggest two. So we will see, for example, this one, if you remember from the previous video when we added. So let's go back, for example, to the last 7 days, for example, and we have it here, right? The same, like you can run the same query or the same filter from here. Like you choose the field, which is file path, for example, is, and here it will give you the options, and when you finish, click add filter and it will automatically add the filter. If you want to the inverse, like if you want to exclude, like get all the logs except this path, you can exclude it. If you want to disable it temporarily, you can disable it temporarily. If you want to delete, you can click and delete from here, or you just remove it from here. And if you wanna, for example, to save this search, like to add it to dashboard later, or to, I don't know, to come back later to it, like you can click here on demo, save it, search, for example, here you can save it and you get it back. This is the first thing, right? So let's go back to discover. Let's remove the save it search, remove the filters. Perfect. So this is our filter. Now, if they ask, for example, the top 5 path, for example, if they ask something similar to this, or give me, like you see the data is here coming from different sources, right? If they ask like from where the most data is coming, like you can use the same log file path, for example, this one, and here it will give you like we toggle it here so we can see from where the logs are coming. But if you want a percentage, or if you want numbers, there is an easy way to do it, or to create a bucket for each log file path. So you click just here on the field, and here you will get a visualization, or you get a percentage from here. If you want to see more details, you click on visualize. It will redirect you to another application, which is Lens, and here you will get a visualization on the our field, which is log.file.path. If you want another, let's say like this one, like histogram, so you can see every time you see here, it's every 3 hours. As you can see, every 3 hours you see the from where the logs are coming and the number of logs, right? So here it will make it easier for you to search on the data, and also find the answer that will ask you during the scenario in the exam, right? I will suggest to have different scenarios, and you get familiar with all the things that we saw, discover, and the dashboard or visualization or Lens, here the one that we used, and also the log application from here, or log stream from here. So this will make it easier for you during the exam to search for the answer and find the answer for the specific scenario in a short time. It will, like, to get familiar with everything here, it will not take you a long time to find the answer. All right, with that being said, I hope you like this short video, and let me know in the comment section if you have any question. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.